Hello everyone, welcome back to the class. So in today's class we are going to continue the illustrations which we were discussing. So here is a question: from the following data prepare a value added statement of Bhadreshwar Limited for the year ended 31st March 2021. So here's the detail given. So in the left side they have given us the sales and other income. So sales we will show this in value added, and also the other income we will show in value added. Next we have decrease in stock. This will come in cost of bought in materials and services. Purchases, here purchases in the sense it is the purchase of raw materials, so this will also come in cost of bought in materials and services. Next we have wages and salaries. So wages and salaries, obviously it is relating to the employees, so this will come in to pay for the employees in the application. Next we have manufacturing and other expenses, so this will come in cost of bought in materials and services. Next we have finance charges. So finance charges is relating to the providers of capital, so providers of capital will come in application. So to pay for the providers of capital we will show this. Next we have depreciation. Depreciation can be shown in two ways. One way is treating it in the value added statement, next way is to treat in the application. So both the ways I have already explained. So in this problem we are going to show this in the application. So from the next problems we are going to apply this method also, so that there will be no confusion in your minds. Next additional information we have is they have provided us the tax provision. So tax provision here is relating to the government. So for the government, whatever we are going to government, whatever the things we are going to pay for the government, it will come in. So we'll show this tax provision in application, that is for the government. Next we have income tax. This also we will show in application to pay for the government. Next we have earlier profit. So here there's one another point. We'll discuss this when that point comes. Next we have debenture redemption reserve. So debenture redemption reserve and all kinds of other reserves will come in application, that is in the last heading, that is to pay for the maintenance and expansion of the company. Next we have general reserve. General reserve will also come in to pay for the maintenance and expansion of the company. Next we have proposed dividend. So proposed dividend will come in application to pay for the shareholders, that is to pay for the providers of the capital. Next we have balance carried to balance sheet. So balance carried to balance sheet we have 27,000, and earlier year profit we have is 38,000. So 38,000 minus 27,000, that is 11,000. We have to treat this in other income. So we have to treat this in the other income, and we have to show this in the value added statement. Now let's move to the solution. So the solution is, first we have to take the sales. So sales given here is 40,19,000. Next we have to deduct the cost. So I told you decrease in stock is 24,000. Consumption of raw materials, that is purchase, is 20,000. Next we have other manufacturing expenses, that is 2,30,000. So total will be 22,74,000. So when we deduct this, the balancing figure will be 17,45,000. So this is called as value added from manufacturing and trading activities. Next we have to add the other income. So the other income given in the problem is 55,000. Next we have earlier profit, that is 38,000, and the balance, that is 27,000. So it equals to 11,000. So 11,000 we have to show as earlier profit in other income or extraordinary items. So after adding this to the value added from manufacturing and trading activities, the gross total value added will be 1,81,000. So 1,81,000 is the value added of the company, that is of the Bhadreshwar Limited. Next, step number 2 is application of value added. So application of value added has 3 columns. One is particulars, another is rupees, and third one is percentage. So first here is a format. First we have to pay for the employees. So employees ಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಪೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವೇಜಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರೀಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So it is 10 lakh. So 10 lakh we have to pay for them. Next we have government. So government ಗೆ tax provision ಇದೆ plus income tax ಇದೆ, and That's it. So tax provision is 40,000. So here they have mentioned the tax provision is 40,000. Next, the income tax payment of the earlier year is 3,000. The total is 43,000. Next, to pay for the providers of the capital. So to pay for the providers of capital, we have finance charges, right? So we have finance charges, that is 4,69,000. So 4,69,000 we have, and we have proposed dividend. Here it is, the proposed dividend is given here. So these are the two things which is related to the providers of the capital. So providers of capital, here it is, we have mentioned here 4,69,000 and 35,000 is the proposed dividend. The last heading is to pay for maintenance and expansion of the company. So in the last they have given us they have given us the debenture redemption fund, general reserve, proposed division will not come, general reserve, redemption fund. So debenture redemption fund 10,000, general reserve 10,000, and depreciation which is given in the problem is 2,44,000. So 2,44,000. So the total will be 18,11,000. So here some mistake is there. So this is 18,11,000. One is missing. So 18,11,000. The problem is tallied. Please ignore those things because I have applied that second adjustment of depreciation. So the tallied amount will be that one. So here the way of calculating the percentages is that is divide this particular thing by total, that is 10 lakh by 18,11,000 into 100. It will be 55.2%. Same way you have to do all the things, and the total should be 100%. The total should be 100%. So this is all about this problem. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the group or in the comments below. I'll try my best to solve your doubts. If you don't get this through online procedure, you can physically visit to the college and you can attend the classes and you can clarify your doubts. Thank you for the watching.